Hey friends, this is Sandeep, and in this video I will show you that how you can save any of your web page in a PDF file in your computer, and it will be by using Microsoft Print to PDF option. In Windows 10, if you are using Windows 10, in Windows 10 Print to PDF is a bit late introduced feature on your Windows 10 computer, but it is very helpful if you want to save any web page in your computer by using this Print to PDF option, and it will be create your web page file and it will convert your file to the PDF. So let's begin here and let's see how it works. Let's say I have an article here which says open device manager in Windows with 5 different ways. So I would like to save this web page in a PDF file, or I can convert this web page to a PDF file, and so for my future reference. And to do that, I'll go, and first of all, before we continue, let me tell you this process will work on your other browsers as well. Right now I'm using Google Chrome, but if you're using Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox, so the process will be same. Okay, so let's start here. So you need to go to your browser menu, and you have an option here, print. Click on print, and the preview window will come up on the screen. It's loading the preview of the web page. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now. Alright, the web page preview is loaded here, and you can scroll down. You can see that how many pages. It's 4 pages here. It's around 5 pages. Okay, and you can see on the right side you have a destination. You need to select this printer, which is Microsoft Print to PDF. Sometimes in your place it should not be a default printer, but in my case it's a default printer, so that is why it's already there, Microsoft Print to PDF. And you have some other settings as well. You can just do it by your own if you required, paper size and other things as well. And that is all I need to do. So just I'll go and click on print button, and it will process, and it will ask me to save your file, and I'll name the file device manager, and you can see the save as file type is PDF document. Okay, so I just use the location desktop, so it will be saved there. So I'm just gonna click on save button. It's processing now. Let's check to the desktop. I see here the file is created with the name of device manager, and now that web page has been converted and saved into a PDF file. Let's try to open this and see. It's opening up with a PDF. Alright, you can see here processing the content. Alright, it's done now. Let me just make it 150% zoom. Okay, here you can see now the entire web page that I was working, it has saved in a PDF file, and now I got here 5 pages of it. So I hope this helps you, and this is how you can convert any of your web page into a PDF file, so for your future reference, and you can use it in future anytime whenever you need. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much, and I'll get back to you soon.